Step 1. Visit our official website to find Tiger iOS Unlocker. Download and install the software based on your computer's operating system. Open the software. Click on Me at the top right to activate your account. Proceed to unlock your iOS device. Select Unlock iOS screen. Click Start Removal. Choose your device model and follow the instructions to enter recovery mode. If you face issues, select DFU mode until a successful connection is established. Step 3. Download the corresponding firmware and wait for the lock screen password removal. For Apple ID password removal, ensure a lock screen password is set. Follow the two-factor authentication setup. The subsequent operation process is similar to removing the lock screen password. To eliminate the screen time passcode, disable Find My iPhone first, then erase the passcode. For iTunes backup password removal, simply click Start Removal. Unlock your iOS device effortlessly with Tiger iOS Unlocker, your key to seamless device access.